First up, we tell you what's happening on ground in Assam. As many as 32 people have been killed so far in the violence in the state. A curfew has been imposed in as many as 3 districts of Kokrajhar, Chirang and Buxa. Shoot-at-sight orders have also been placed in addition to the curfew in Buxa. Meanwhile, relatives of those who have been killed have refused to bury the bodies. They're demanding the state chief minister first visit the violence-hit region.
Right now I'm standing at the Bhangar Bazar area of Buxa district. This is the place where 18 dead bodies of people killed in Narayanpuri and Narayangudi and other areas have been brought. Out of these 18 dead bodies, 9 of them are children, and the local residents of this area say that they will not cremate the bodies until and unless the Chief Minister of Assam, Tarun Gogoi, pays them a visit. They say that it has been going on for a very long time. It had happened in 2012 and now again it has 2014. They are getting no relief whatsoever from the government, and the government which is trying to they are alleging that the government which is trying to portray this as a mere ethnic rivalry or ethnic rivalry between the Bodos and the non-Bodos is overlooking a very important fact, that the BPF, which is the coalition partner of the Congress party itself, is in the power here, and this is one of the reason why no strict action is being taken against what they believe are the real perpetrators of this crime. They're alleging that one of the biggest reason why this killing took place is because this time 21 organizations gathered to prop up a candidate, a non-Bodo candidate against the Bodo, the local Bodo member of parliament who was contesting from this.
That was Brijesh Pandey making a very important point about the government that is in place. Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has said that he will seek a probe by the National Investigative Agency into the violence. The sentiment on ground, however, is clearly against him. But the under pressure Chief Minister has stayed adamant. He's refused to resign.
ये तो 100% ये एक पॉलिटिकल है. इस बार एमपी इलेक्शन में वो जो नॉन बोडो जो है यहाँ का नॉन बोडो जितना भी है वो सभी मतलब उनके अगेंस्ट में वोट डाला है. उन लोगों को 100% कंफर्म हो गया था कि ये इस बार उन लोग हार गया. तो इसी वजह से वो पहले भी धमकाया गया था सभी एरिया पे कि आप हमें वोट नहीं डालोगे तो वोट के बाद सभी को मार दिया जाएगा. ऐसे बहुत सारा जगह ऐसे प्रूफ है. बस हमें तो यही मांग है कि ये तुरंत बीटीसी को कैंसिल किया जाए और यहाँ पर हो सके तो राष्ट्रपति का शासन लागू किया जाए, क्योंकि यहाँ पर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट 100% फेल है, कुछ नहीं कर पाए.
सरकार से आवेदन है क्या सरकार इसका तुरंत कुछ करे और इसका कुछ उपाय करे और वहाँ के जो रहने वाले उनको पूरा सेफ्टी दे. नहीं तो हम जो पब्लिक है इसका कुछ सरकार हल नहीं निकालते जो पब्लिक इमीडिएटली इसका हल कुछ निकलेगा.
The people also clearly fed up of the violence that rears its head every time election season is in progress.